Just look at the hips.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
We had 8 inside the Bothy, and then somebody arrived about 9:30 at night. But they clearly put the tent up. Here we go, first thing in the morning. Back onto the track, about 5 yards from where the Bothy was, and off we go. A few kilometres of this as we leave the Bothy. But there are still some phenomenal views out down the valley. Quite a substantial gate to stop people driving up here. We had visitors at 9:30 at night, and they clearly parked up there and came down, but there was nowhere to stay, so I think they went back. It's interesting, on the western side of Scotland we saw quite a few sheep rings, but all in disrepair. All the ones here are in good repair. Morning, sir.
I don't suppose that's
Are you okay? Oh, you're probably a madam, aren't you? Apologise. Terrible behaviour. Good morning, day 10. Well, day 9 was a fantastic day. Up and over the Ettrick hills. A little bit scary. I can see why they take you down a lowland route if it's high winds. Arrived at the Bothy. Andy was there. He got the fire going. And then our 3 German colleagues turned up, which was fantastic, and they were really good fun. Then this German girl called Nicole turned up, and then 3 English students turned up, and then at 9 at night 3 other people turned up. It was, it was a really, really good time. So now today we've got quite a long road walk. It goes on for 10-15 kilometres, and then hopefully we get to the end of the Loch, and then we'll look to wild camp somewhere. But let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Resting swallows. After almost 10k of road walking, we reach the point where we go back up into the hills. Having gone up 100 feet or so, we're now going along this river valley, and you can see the path stretching out. As always, you don't see much for a while. Grass is long, but you see a post on the other side of the valley. We've got some cows. You just follow what you think is the path, because unless you're told to go left or right, just more or less keep going straight on. There you go, on the stile. These 2 just keep running along the path. They haven't gone down, they haven't gone up. We'll see where we get to. They're sleeping right in the middle of the path. think it was a Roman fort, but it's just for sheep. St Mary's Loch coming into view, down a path, over the bridge, up the other side. The Captain's Road to St Mary's Loch. A heron. This is the smaller of the two lochs, but it has apparently a tea room, which is what we're heading towards. You get all sorts of services. This is the Tippy Shields camp area, but there's an event this weekend, so it's actually full up and we couldn't get in it anyway. So we just continue on our way. Some loch swimmers getting ready. Past all the sheep that run away, and we're coming up to a nice forested area. If you arrived here at 4 or 5 o'clock, lots of places to camp. Fantastic. Through some woodlands right beside the loch. Nice easy path. We're on the path side of the loch, and you can hear the motorcycles on the road on the other side. It's clearly a very favoured route. So after the lovely path by the loch, you get this road that goes to a farm that's behind us. Coming to the end of the loch, you have to cross over and go up into the hills. The bridge over the reservoir, Ettrick Water. Another unvisited valley, except for sheep.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.